Leak detection in compressed air systems within underground mines pose a significant challenge. The intricate network of pipes and the vast area they cover, inaccessible and unseen, complicate the detection, diagnosis, and management of these airflows. This isn't just a maintenance issue, it's an energy matter, given that compressed air systems account for 20% of the total electrical consumption. At Emerson, we're transforming underground mining with Flexim's FLUXUS G601 portable gas flow meter. It offers a non-intrusive clamp-on solution that affords significant operational efficiencies. This technology enables rapid, accurate measurement without the need for excessive setup or intrusive procedures, seamlessly adapting to the constraints of the underground mine. Furthermore, its robust design is unaffected by moisture, which can compromise other meters, ensuring reliable data for optimizing machine air consumption and energy use of the compressors. And the ultimate goal? Significant strides in enhancing resource management and preventative maintenance, leading to a safer, more efficient, and sustainable mining operation. At Emerson, we're not just resolving existing issues. We're equipping our customers with confidence to operate in the most challenging conditions. Partner with Emerson to achieve mining excellence. Our solutions are designed to tackle difficult demands of the underground mine. Let's work together to set new standards in the mining industry.